Hello friends, this is Lindsay for Fontsy. In today's video, we're talking about pressing pillows, and we'll talk about what they are and how to use them correctly and how they can be a very helpful tool for improving your pressing. So let's go ahead and get started. So first off, pressing pillows are a piece of heat-resistant foam that's covered in a heat-resistant non-stick material. And you'll find that they come in lots of different sizes and shapes, and you can use pressing pillows with either a heat press or an iron. And you use pressing pillows on items that have something on them that adds bulk. So like thick seams, zippers, buttons, snaps, things like that. Those bulky areas can interfere with the heat press or the iron not pressing the HTV evenly onto that item. And so that could result in a bad press where you cannot provide the correct amount of pressure onto the HTV for it to adhere correctly. And so here's a close-up of the handle seams on this canvas bag. And you can see that it's bulkier than just the sides of the canvas bag. And while that might not seem like a big difference, it could mean the difference between a good press and a great press. So to use the pressing pillow correctly, first, if you're using a heat press, you'll want to make sure that you adjust the heat pressure's pressure with the pillow in the press. And then you place the pressing pillow underneath the pressing area. So in this case, inside the bag, underneath the area where I'm going to be pressing the HTV onto. And you want to try and use a pressing pillow that is large enough to accommodate the size of the transfer, but small enough so that the bulky area can hang off the side of the pressing pillow. So here I'll place my transfer. So this is actually a printed transfer using StarCraft printable transfer. So you can use the pressing pillows, with transfers like these or even with sublimation as well. And then go ahead and remove the parchment when it's done pressing. And you can see that we've achieved a perfect press. Now, if you have a bulky area on an item like a zipper or, button or snap that's not heat safe, so like the zipper on this little canvas pouch, what you can do is, place the pressing pillow, inside it or, underneath the pressing area, and then you can let the zipper fall off the side of the press so that the heat isn't going to be touching it directly, but then also be sure to cover with a cover sheet or a piece of parchment. And so here is another transfer that we pressed onto this canvas zipper pouch using a pressing pillow, and you can see it turned out great. The designs that we use for these projects, you'll find them in the July 2022 SVG and font bundle at Fontsy. So there's a link in the video description, so click on that to check out those designs. So thanks so much for watching. We hope that you found this video helpful in showing you how to use a pressing pillow to help improve your pressing. So have a great day, and we'll see you next time. Bye.